Hello student, this video is for class 9th. Behind book lesson number 2, that is the sound of music. This chapter has two parts. First part is Evelyn Glennie, about Evelyn Glennie, and second part is about Bismillah Khan. Part 1, that is Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it, means she was a deaf person, deaf child, but then also she listens to the sound of music. She felt the sound of music and she became the number one or the most demanding musician who could play multiple musical instruments. In this chapter we will read how she had achieved goal, how she had got success in the music. Let's start. Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. It was a time when Evelyn was going for the training in the music academy in London. It was at that time and she was standing at the railway platform. Rush hour meaning is at the time of crowd, means when there was a great rush on the platform. Jostle meaning is push for position on the underground train platform. That the train platform which was underground, there was a great rush and people were pushing each other so that they can get their seat easily in the train. A slight girl, slight meaning is thin, a thin girl looking younger, who was looking smaller than her 17 years. Even she was of 17 years old, but she was looking smaller than her actual age. Was nervous, and she was looking very nervous yet excited, but she was excited also. There was some kind of excitement also because she was going to achieve her goal, as she felt the vibrations of the approaching train. And when she was standing at the railway platform, she felt the vibrations of the train which was coming near, which was coming at the platform. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and she was going to join this academy. It was her first day in the prestigious meaning is famous music academy which was in London. And daunting enough, daunting meaning is frightening, means this was a first experience and it was frightening for her, for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. And she has some kind of fear in her heart because as she was a teenager and she was going to start her journey from a Scottish farm. Scottish farm is a small area of Scotland. But this aspiring musician, aspiring meaning is wanting, musician means as this musician, or we can say that when she became a famous musician, she was demanded everywhere. So the author had written that, but this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge. She had faced the bigger challenge of her life than most. She was profoundly deaf. And why it was known as the challenge was called as a bigger challenge, because even she was a deaf person, but then also she had tried her best to make her future in the music. Profoundly meaning is greatly. Evelyn Glennie's loss of hearing had been gradual, and it is not that Evelyn was deaf by birth, but her hearing power has been lost gradual. Gradual meaning is slow. That with the passage of the time she had lost her hearing power. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano, means when her mother was waiting for Evelyn that she could come and play the piano, and she called Evelyn for 1 or 2 times. At that time Evelyn was just of 8 years old and her mother called her to play the piano, but when her mother called she didn't reply to her. They called her name, means they called her by her name and she didn't move, but she hadn't shown any reaction. She hadn't given any reaction to them. I suddenly realized, then Evelyn's mother realized that she hadn't heard, maybe she hadn't listened, says Isabel Glennie, that is her mother name. For quite a while Evelyn managed to conceal, and for some time, for 1 or 2 years, we can say, she managed to conceal meaning is hide. She managed to hide her growing deafness, which was increasing day by day, from friends and teachers. But by the time she was 11, but when she became 11 years old, her marks had deteriorated. But her marks in the exams started getting decreasing, and her headmistress urged meaning is advised or suggested. Then her teacher suggested her parents to take her to a specialist. Then her teacher suggested that they should consult with a special doctor who could recognize her problem. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired, and when they consult to the doctor, when they consult to the specialist, then it was found that her hearing power was severely meaning is greatly impaired, meaning is weakened, or we can say decreased, that her hearing power has greatly decreased as a result of gradual nerve damage due to the gradual meaning is slow nerve damage, means her hearing sense nerves were getting damaged day by day, and due to those damaging of the nerves, her hearing power, her hearing sense organs were getting weakened. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids. Then the doctor advised the Evelyn's parents that Evelyn should use the hearing aids, means hearing machines, and sent to the school for the deaf. She should send to the special schools which were specially made for the deaf children. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn, and after listening the doctor's word, Evelyn got very surprised. Looked black meaning is she became greatly surprised. But Evelyn was not going to give up, but she made her mind, she made the fixed decision, that strong decision, that she would not she would not lose hope, she would not lose courage. She was determined to lead a normal life. She made the mind that she would lead the normal life as the normal children are living, and pursue her interest in music. Pursue meaning is follow, and she would follow her interest in music, or we can say she would learn music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. Xylophone is a musical instrument, and decided that she wanted to play it too. And after seeing that the girl was playing xylophone, she thought that, or she decided that she would learn how to play xylophone. Most of the teacher discouraged her, but most of the teacher had discouraged Evelyn, but precautionist meaning is a person who could play multiple musical instrument. Ron Forbes was his name. That was Evelyn's teacher. But precautionist Ron Forbes spotted meaning is found her potential meaning is power, means by seeing the strong willpower of Evelyn, Ron Forbes found that she had a strong potential, she had a power that she could achieve the success. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Then he started playing the large drums, but on both the drums he played different tones, different notes. And he told Evelyn, don't listen through your ears. Try to listen it some other way. Means at the place of using the ears, she should listen. She should try to feel the music with some other way through her body parts. Says Evelyn, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. When Ron Forbes suggested her to sense the music, then she realized that she could feel the notes of the higher drum, means the tone which he was playing on the higher drum. She could listen those notes through the upper part of her body. Waist up meaning is upper part of her body, and the lower drum, music on the lower drum which Ron Forbes was playing, she could listen that music from the down part of her body. Forbes repeated the exercise, and Forbes repeated this process, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Then she realized that she could, at the place of ears, she could sense these notes, these vibrations of the music through different part of her body. I had learned to open my mind. In this way, Evelyn had learned how to open her mind, body, to the sounds and vibrations, so that she could feel the sounds of music, so that she could feel the vibrations of music through the different body parts. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. And when she had learnt, or when she had found that she could sense the music, then the thing which was important to achieve her goal was sheer determination, that is strong decision, and her hard work. In this way she had started learning the music.